to episode 15 of Story Talks. Today we'll be discussing a very unique approach to personal branding. So we would love to hear more about it from you.
So I developed this model which I call as Enlarge Excel Evolve. Enlarge as a human being, Excel as a social media being, and Evolve as a personal brand. So when I say enlarge as a human being, I fundamentally talk about personal growth, because whether you are wise or foolish will be visible on social media. I talk about collaboration because digital tools have made it easy to collaborate. Excel as a social media being, basically I talk about excellence, in your command on social media tools, social media analytics, social media psychology, why do people share content? So excellence in your command on social media. Evolve as a personal brand. Now, as human beings, we keep evolving. Maybe 10 years back, the content which I used to post on Facebook, I look at that content and, sometimes I joke to myself that, was I such an idiot? Did I write this? So we keep evolving as people. We may become, better communicators. We may become, more mature in terms of our thinking and so on. Later on, when I work with more senior clients, with CEOs, startup founders, co-founders, C-level executives, then I developed a more mature model of Enlarge Excel Evolve. So I modified it slightly, where I say enlarge as a collaborator, excel as a communicator, and evolve into a story narrator. So enlarge as a collaborator, because collaboration is the more important part of C-level executives. They have done a lot of personal growth, because they have reached those kind of levels. Excel as a communicator. So you have to become excellent in your written, oral, video, all formats of communication, not just social media, mass media also. And finally, evolve into a story narrator, because storytelling is the most powerful form of personal branding or any form of brand building, in fact. So evolving into a story narrator, learning to tell your own stories, learning to tell your organization stories, learning to integrate your story with organization story, learning to tell your team members stories, so that's the more advanced version of Enlarge Excel Evolve. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. That was really insightful.